chapter. So here in page number 84. Yeah. And moment. Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna do these prepositions today. Yeah. Su, by, von, in. These are the prepositions we're gonna take care of today. But how? How do we start with it? So we're gonna start with this exercise. So here it's written. There are 6 pictures here with the 6 sentences given just below the pictures. You need to read the sentences and you need to tell me which sentences matches with which picture. All of these sentences contains a preposition. You don't know the meaning yet, so you just need to match the sentences with the help of context or the help of picture, whatever you feel like. Just match the picture with the sentence that you feel like it's matching, and then we can discuss the sentences along with the meaning of the prepositions. So do it. Read the sentences, match it with the picture, and then we can discuss what is zoom, what is in, what is von. Do it. I'll be back in 2 minutes. Ja, ich bin hier. Wenn Sie schon das gemacht haben, bitte lasst es mich wissen. When did you when you have completed it, let me know so that we can discuss. And Ashwin, I just want to know something from your end. Are you there?
Yeah.
Which level are you targeting in German? Like, what's your target level?
If I want to go to get a job, then it has to be B1, right? So yeah, B1.
B1 you're targeting, but do you think you have to give the like lower level examinations, A1, A2?
If it's not helpful, I don't think so.
No, taking an examination is never like unuseful. It is definitely useful, but the thing is, Samriddhi wants to give the examination, but she has got no dates, right? 5th June examination. After that, she'll be getting the date on July, maybe, most probably chance. So if she continues with A2, that means she'll be half done with A2 by the end of July. So at that point of time, I told her that giving an A1 examination is of no use, right? So if you are targeting A1 level, so you are in Kerala, right? If I'm not wrong, Ashwin, you
No,
are
I'm
Noida.
Gurgaon.
Sorry, you're Noida.
Gurgaon.
So you have to give in Delhi as well.
Yeah, I'm in Gurgaon. Yeah.
You're in Gurgaon, so you then also you because I thought you were in Kerala, so you can get some other dates. But then if you are in Delhi, then there is no chance again. You have to wait till July.
There's a big queue in Delhi to do the
What?
exam. Is there a big queue in Delhi to do the exams?
Yeah, not in Delhi, it's in everywhere because normally what happens that the internal students, they have got this thing that they have to pass every level and then only they can apply for the next level. The students who are doing it from outside, like external students, they have got no as such thing. They can do the level till B1 and they can give the exam one after the other, A1, A2, B1 together. Or like some people, they do it like this, after completing till B1, so they directly give the examination of B2. But then I always recommend that you can skip A1 because A1 is very matlab, easier. You can definitely appear for A2, give A2 and B1. So that's why all the students go there for the examination because Gyothe ke alawa, there is no other place that can give you certification. So even though the students are not learning from Gyothe, they have to go to Gyothe for the examination. That's why the queue is so long.
अच्छा ठीक है ठीक है. Okay,
Yeah.
so yeah, B1 is my aim.
So I'll tell you tomorrow. I'll have a talk with my ma'am. I'll tell you what's the in situation. When is the next probably A1 date coming? So if you think you can or you want to give the examination on that date, then you have to register yourself quite earlier. I think a month ago, and then you have to start with the preparation. But then I'll tell you after the date. I'll get to know.
No, I'll skip A1. It's fine. Like,
Yeah, you can skip A1. You can start with A2 because normally what happened, we like our ma'am, she like I we have got 7 students in our batch, and out of 7, 5 were below the belt. I mean, they were very low students, so ma'am had to take the chances with them. So she suggested that just because I want to take them examination, and Devrupa, you are also included in the same batch, so why don't you take the exam? And that time the prices were low as well. I'm talking about 5 years back, right? So right now the A1 charge that they are charging for exam is 7,600. That's the examination fee. So that time it was bit lower. I think it was approximately 3 to 4 thousand. So we opted for it कि चलो दे देते हैं, देख लेते हैं, because बहुत नया था हमारे लिए. And we thought कि it's very compulsory. But then over the time we got to know कि भाई A1 तो हो जाता है. मतलब it's easier. So and हमारा what was the best part about our examination कि जब हमने A1 का exam दिया, we already completed A1, A2 का 4th chapter. So we were a level ahead. तो हमें A1 काफी ज्यादा easy लगा. तो वही मैंने समृद्धि को बोला कि अगर जुलाई में if you get the A1 date and जुलाई तक if you complete A1 का A2 का आधा chapter, then what's the point of giving A1? Go for A2 directly. That would be more helpful. And then rest your choice. Whatever you think you can do it. I'll tell tomorrow exactly how is the date and what should be the possibility. Okay, then are we done here? Shall we proceed? Okay. Sana, are you here, dear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sana, you don't speak anything in the class. Is anything wrong with you? Are you stressed, or like is there anything I can help you with?
No, I'm good.
You're good. Okay. Previously, you used to keep your camera on. So it was like, even though I'm not keeping my camera on, I told you my laptop is not working and I'm not getting it fixed. So I'll be doing it surely from like in this week as well. But then, yeah, it's so good to see you, live in the class. Good. Okay, Sana, start the first sentence and let me know which picture should go with it.
First sentence is I'm not gonna get Julia soon, chef.
Yeah.
Just picture of a bay.
Chef, Yulia, some chef. Okay, I considered bay. चलो ठीक है, bay ले लेते हैं फिलहाल. Okay, then Nummer 2, Samriddhi.
Tom kommt aus der Bank und trifft Julia. So ein Zufall. A.
Okay. Tom kommt aus der Bank und trifft Julia. So ein Zufall. Zufall is luck. What a good luck. Okay, then Nummer 3, Ashwin, lesen Sie bitte.
15 Uhr ist Julia beim Chef. Der Termin ist wichtig.
Wichtig. Der Termin ist wichtig, okay?
F.
15 Uhr ist Julia beim Chef. Der Termin ist wichtig. Mm, mm, mm. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, Sana.
Today, first question, which all questions are discussed because I did not hear you.
Which means the first one.
Ma'am, after the first sentence, have you discussed more sentences?
Yeah, second I have discussed with Samriddhi. Samriddhi says for the question for sentence number second, we have the picture number A.
Okay, yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. 15 Uhr ist Julia beim Chef, der Termin ist wichtig. So you say you are saying Ashwin number D.
F.
And any other answers here, girls?
Ma'am, it should be day.
Okay.
Boss
fine.
is in F, no? So I thought F.
Okay. Okay, fine. Nummer 4. Noch einmal, Sana, lesen Sie bitte.
Tom geht heute schon 9 Uhr zur Bank. Das ist Picture Nummer A.
Okay, das ist richtig. Foto Nummer A. Dann Nummer 5, Samriddhi.
Das Gespräch in der Bank dauert eine Stunde.
Okay. Das Gespräch in der Bank dauert eine Stunde. Das ist B, okay. Dann Julia kommt vom Chef und trifft Tom. Ashwin?
Yeah. Chef. Not chef.
The last.
Oh, so that will be F. Sorry. And
Okay.
dry will be day.
Dry would be day, and then this is F. Okay, super. Now, okay, whatever you guessed, it's like it's a guessing sentence. I'm not saying correct or wrong, or more some correct, some wrong, but nothing as such wrong here as of now.
Yes.
But let's see. Yeah, Sana.
Ma'am, for the fifth sentence, is the answer picture number C?
The Gespräch in der Bank. Okay, just I'll definitely help with the solution of it. Which picture you would definitely do it yourself without my help. Right now, just whatever answers you have written, just keep it to yourself. Don't change anything, right? Okay. First things first, there are 3 situations in here, right? In the first situation, the question word says wohin. Wohin means when you are going something, somewhere. When you are going somewhere, for example, if I'm walking on road and somebody asks me, Devrupa, where are you going? So that the question word for here would be not where. In English, we say, where are you going? But the German word for the same word would be wohin. Wohin. Yeah, wohin gehen Sie? Because I am going somewhere. The second word, I'm just giving an example of these 3 words. I'll definitely explain it more properly, but then just an example right now. Next is wo. So wo is the word for where. For example, if I am sitting in a hospital and then somebody calls me, so if she says that, Devrupa, where are you? So I would say, I am in the hospital. So that word of where are you would be wo, which means you are not traveling anywhere. You are sitting, you are at some place. You are in some, like you are at some place. Kahin pe ho aap. That's wo. Yeah. Then, this is woher. Woher means from where. Matlab, if I am returning back home and if somebody asks me that from where are you coming? So from where is the word that normally relates with woher. Matlab, you are coming from somewhere. Wohin is going to somewhere. Wo is being somewhere. That means to be somewhere. And woher is to come from somewhere. That's why when we question woher common Z, this is a very proper or it is a very basic question that everybody learns in the introduction part. Woher common Z. That means where do you come from? So woher always tells you that where exactly you are coming from. Am I clear with the three meaning of wohin, wo, and woher?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Samriddhi and Ashwin.
Yes.
Okay. Then, so accordingly, we have got some prepositions that tells about where we are going, where we have been, and where we are coming from.